I'm gonna show you how to make a BingX account. So first, let's go to their website. So after that, you'll notice a sign up button in the top left. They may try to verify that you are a human. Okay, we verified. You can choose between email or phone. I'm gonna choose email in this case. You're gonna type your email address, then make up a password, then you click sign up. After that, they're gonna send you a verification code on your email. So you're gonna go to Gmail. They sent us a verification code, so we're gonna go ahead and copy it and go here, paste it. Gonna click sign up. After that, you just need to get verified and you're all done. And that's it. I hope today's tutorial was helpful. See you in another video. Bye bye.